Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, hanging out at the ocean, and I just wanted to show you guys these crazy beautiful waves. Here comes another one. And then one thing that I just wanted to tell you guys about is like how to stay stable when you're just like hanging out right on the edge. Because when the wave goes like back into the ocean, all of the sand around your feet, like, it just feels really weird. So one thing that I like to do when that happens is if it's a big wave, I kind of like to turn sideways so that my foot is a little bit more angled. The other thing you can do, if it's like a huge wave, is to just turn around. And there's Xena up there. And if you guys continue to stand in one spot, eventually your feet will be totally covered up in sand. So if you're not about that life, you gotta keep moving. And this is the Bolsa Chica, California State Beach. We're actually staying at the campground. So if you want to come check out this beautiful ocean and this beautiful beach, you'll definitely have to subscribe so that you can watch that video too. Look at how amazing this is. I mean, God created this and now we get to enjoy it. But I'll show you guys after this one goes back. My feet are totally submerged in sand. Okay, I had to move. But yeah, so let me go get Xena. I'll show you guys how I hold her out here. So I've got Xena here, and obviously just like turning your feet or moving a certain way is not gonna guarantee that you won't fall over. So I really recommend, if you've got your dog out here, that they wear a life jacket. Xena has this one on, it's like Coleman brand. But yeah, and we just come out here and enjoy the waves. Well, if you liked this short little video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. I think Xena is wishing she was back on shore right now, but that's one, we come here a lot, so she knows how to swim, she's comfortable swimming, so that's one thing. Safety comes first with the puppers. But if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.